Armand Duplantis then. Cleared 581. His first attempt at 586.
Duplantis then, 586, first attempt. Crowd willing him over, and he gets it! A huge roar! Well, that's the best we've seen from this young man in Europe. He's done some huge vaults in the States. A recent World Junior record of 593. And this just shows the talent he has. 18 years of age. From a pole vaulting dynasty, his family, even his grandfather was a great pole vaulter. His mother was a Swedish heptathlete in the 80s. His dad cleared 5 meters 80s, way beyond what his dad cleared. 586. Sweden have got a new star.